So hello everyone, my name is Aryan Tiwari and I am a participant of DevHack 22. So my domain is machine learning and we have given a task to build an ML model which predict the type of glass. So first I will show you the dataset that I have used. So this is UCI machine learning repository where you can check the data folder. This is the dataset and these are the columns. There are total 10 columns in this. So now I will show you my model. So first I have imported the necessary libraries required for the model. These are NumPy, Pandas, Matplotlib, Seaborn, SciPy, etc. etc. Then we have loaded the dataset. So this is my dataset. Then I have predicted some types of data like the description of our data, the columns, the count, the mean, standard deviation, these all, and these are the columns RI, NA, MG, AL, SI, the type of glass, and we have to predict the type of glass. So these all are the class attributes in the given dataset. So these are some basic information about the data. Like the data contains 214 columns, 214 rows and 10 columns. These are the value counts. These are the all columns that I have told you already. These are the data types of all the columns: float, 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 and type is of int category. Then we will check the null values in the given data. Null dot sum. These are the null values, and then we'll perform EDA, exploratory data analysis. So first I have performed EDA using histogram. You can see the plots of different columns, like this is of Ri, Na sodium, Mg magnesium, Al aluminium, Si silicon, K potassium. These are all the plots. Then I have used heat map for correlation. You can see the values in the diagonals all are 1, and these are the value counts of the type column. Then I have used the pie chart. These are the pie chart plots, and these are the different descriptions. Like you can see, type 1, type 2, type 6, type 7, type 8, all types are included. Then I have used, you can see I have used count plot, and I have taken type on the x-axis. These are the distribution of glass types of different. Then I have used histogram, and I have made the plots of each column variantly. Like you can see, this is of Ri, this is of Na, this is of Mg. Then I have again used hist plot of the remaining columns. This is Al, Si, K. The remaining columns Ca calcium, Ba barium, Fe. And then I have used the scatter plot for the distributions of plots. Like you can see, I have taken Ri on the y-axis and sodium ion at the x-axis, and these all are the type 1, type 2, 3, 4 till type 7. These all, like in this second I have taken Mg at the x-axis and Ri at the y-axis. So these all are the plots, scatter plots I have used, and the style I have used, you can see Seaborn. This is the style I have used. You can use different styles like ggplot, dark grid, white grid. So this is the exploratory data analysis, and now we will split the data into training and testing. So we have dropped the type column. We have taken x and y, the dependent variable and the independent variable, and now we have train split the data. Like you can see, test size is 0.3. So this means the test size is 30% and the training set is 70. And I have set random state on 42 so that the data will not change frequently. This is the length of x train and length of x test, 149 and 165. Sorry, 65. And now I have done the model building. So I have used total 7 models. The first is linear regression. So we got accuracy score of 76.64 using linear regression. Second, I have used decision tree classifier, and we got accuracy of 66.15 using decision tree. Third, I used random forest, and we got accuracy score of 75.38 using random forest. And random forest gradient boosting, extra trees classifier, these all are ensemble training. training methods. So we got accuracy score of 75.38 using random forest. We got accuracy of 80 using gradient boosting. Again, we got score of 80 using extra trace classifier. Then we got accuracy score of 60% using KNN, K nearest classifier. And in last, I use cast boot classifier. Sorry, cat boost classifier. So I have fit the X train and Y train, and we got accuracy score of 75.38 using cat boost classifier. So these are the seven models which I used in the model prediction part, and these are the actual and the predicted values that we have predicted. So at the last, I have plotted a graph of model comparison versus model accuracy. So these are the seven models that I have used: K nearest, random forest, linear regression, cat boost, decision tree, expertise, and gradient boosting. And this is the accuracy, model accuracy. You can see 80%, 70%. So we got accuracy of about 81% using extra trees classifier and gradient boosting classifier. And this is the conclusion, that gradient boosting and extra trees gave us an accuracy of 81% out of all models, which is very accurate for the given dataset. So thank you everyone.